How I took my at-home photo studio setup from this to this, a tutorial. The first thing I did was I opened up Photoshop Beta, which had the AI function. And then I have to update it, but I'm too lazy. And then what I did was I cropped everything out and I fixed the cropping. So you can see how it's like not aesthetic at all. You can see everything. I just made sure to crop everything out to avoid confusion, to avoid confusing the AI tool, because if you don't crop out the other stuff, they're gonna make it weird. And then I just do expand, and this is Photoshop Beta. You need the beta version, and I do pay for this shit. Even though I'm like giving them free advertisement. And then you just generate, and then it will expand it for you. And then yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then I added, for that little ring thingy, I just used the circle tool over here, and then I made a circle, and then I colored it yellow, and then I did soft light for the circle thing to add a little circle to make it more artsy. But yeah, this is taking like forever. It does take some time, y'all, for the AI to generate. I guess it also depends on your Wi-Fi or whatever. Let's see. Okay, yeah, and then you just have to play around with it. Sometimes they'll give you like super strange results, like what the F is that? Like that makes me so mad. So I'm just gonna delete that. And then sometimes it cuts off details that I dislike. Like, why did it cut off my scarf? Like, we worked really hard to get that scarf mid-air, my parents and me. But yeah, you just have to like play around with it. If you don't like what they generated, just delete it and then generate again. But yeah, just play around with it. It does take time. It's not hard work. I mean, it's like not difficult work, but it does take time and patience. And yeah, so that's how I use AI tools to crop out the messy part and make it more artsy. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I just wanted to quickly show y'all, I did do the generative tool again, and this time it did give me some scarf details, although I don't know what is that, so I'm probably just not going to keep this version. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. And then yeah, you can expand this however big you want. You know, you can expand it a little bit more, but yeah, that's the gist of it. Follow my TikTok and Instagram for more photo shoot inspiration, ideas, and tutorials.